So after receiving a free t-shirt from Bill at Brand Boss HQ, I decided to team up with Sticker Bros and send him some stickers. After placing a picture of the t-shirt in Illustrator, it's time to recreate this font. In the type menu, I'm going to have Adobe look for this font. And right there, Futura Bold, that is the font. So on another layer, let's retype out this font. I have to scale it here a little bit. Now option drag this up here and we'll do the win. Now create outlines. Next I'll do this little bar here. Let's color it blue and now the text white. Now let's put a gray box underneath. Make a copy of the logo and on another layer paste it and color it all this red color and then merge. Slip it on the bottom layer, delete the gray box, and now select that red text. And let's offset the path so we can define the outside of the sticker die cut line. I'll settle on that and merge all of that together and color it black. And let's add a connecting piece to kind of hold this sticker together. Yeah, that looks good right there. I'm going to size this down to be 4 inches wide and then copy this and paste this into a new document. Now I'm going to save. Flip over to stickerbros.com. Choose custom stickers, die cut stickers, custom size. It's 4 by about 1.5. Background color border. We're going to do 100. Gloss vinyl. Continue. Load that file. And then check out. Thanks again to Tom and the team at Sticker Bros for making this happen. And Bill, let us know what you think of the stickers when you get them.